Hi, my name is Melvin Dain, and this is my channel. I'm a filmmaker and I'm a personal finance enthusiast. So, the main purpose for creating this channel is to talk all things personal finance. So, I want to build a community where we create awareness on personal finance. I'm talking how to save money, how to invest money, how to make income. Although you don't need me to teach you how to make income anyway, but yeah, how to save the money that you made, how to invest it. I am not a financial advisor. Disclaimer, please, I'm not. I am just a personal finance enthusiast. I've been investing for the past 3 years now. I've made some major losses, which you don't have to, because we are going to learn from each other. Hopefully, I bring on board some of the financial experts that I've started talking to, and they could help you and help me grow our portfolios together. We are going to talk more about how to protect our money. Basically, that's the whole goal for this. And from time to time, we also talk about film because I'm a filmmaker, right? And so, yeah, we're going to talk about film, but most importantly, money growth come first. That's my main purpose for creating this channel. I'll upload 2 videos twice in a week. I'll try my best. Although I'm going to school, I'm an actor, I'm a directed 2 of my films. But yeah, um, I'm going to try my best to record 2 videos a week so that we can keep each other onto this journey. So first off, let's be clear, please. If you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, how to make money fast, this channel is not for you. This is not the channel for you. I am very frugal. I know how to economize properly. Um, so as I'm speaking to you now, this video is being recorded on my phone. Even though I am a filmmaker and I have gears, I just don't want any crazy setup for recording. So I can practice what I am not. I can preach what I'm not practicing, right? So this is not get rich quick scheme. I am 29 years old now, and my goal is to be um, preparing for retirement at the age of 47. So I want to make a certain amount of money during that period so I can be financially free and I can be financially stable by then. So yeah, that's the whole goal for this channel. We're going to be talking all things finance and all things how do you call it, personal finance, investing, savings, just like I mentioned. But please, this space is for steady growth. Like I said, there's no get rich quick scheme here. This space is for discipline. You have to be financially disciplined. You have to be financially accountable for yourself. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you are able to keep. So you can be earning more than I do, you can be earning more than everybody at your work, but if you're not learning how to keep it, I personally think personal finance should be taught in school. I personally think personal finance should be taught in school, right from secondary school to university. Yeah, hey, we live in a country where we don't have that. So that should be it. This channel is basically going to be me talking about my experiences and things I think we can do. I have a community of like-minded personal finance enthusiasts that I think we all come together to think about where to put our monies. I'm talking mutual funds. I'm talking S&P 500, ETFs, all these things. The S&P 500 is an ETF. It's a mutual fund. But yeah, that is the main focus for this channel. So this channel, like I said, I'm going to try and post 2 videos every week. Just like I also said as well, I am not a financial advisor. Please, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a curious investor, and I was born into a poor family, raised by a single mother until I lost my mom, and my dad took me in. I was born into a rice farm. I live with my stepmom, and the rest is history. Now I'm on billboards in Accra, Ghana. I'm a filmmaker. I'm a working actor. So, yeah, this just means I tell you this little bit of story just to know that wherever you are in your journey, I work where I earned 200 cities for Zoom Lion before. I worked with Zoom Lion and I earned 200 cities before, and that was in 2014. Yeah, thereabout. So if I can do it, and it's not like I'm there, I'm still growing. Um, we all can do it. So I've worked on construction side. I've worked as a landscaper. I've worked as a gardener. But through it all, I've learned a lot. I've been scammed. I've been duped. I've made some good money as well. Glory be to God. But yeah, at the end of the day, this channel is just to help um, me stay accountable to myself in my journey, and so you can tag along and follow me so that we pick the process one step at a time and be financially free. So my channel, all the videos we are going to be talking about are not going to be guesswork. They're going to be things that are proven. We are just going to use a proven method of how people build their wealth. So there's no gambling here. There's no I'm not coming to preach about any stocks to you. I don't have the time to research stocks. I cannot do that. So proven track records. However, when we're talking about the stocks in Ghana, for instance, Ghanaian stock, we're going to be doing more of household names, companies that you know that I know, and then I would take the leap to, how do you call it, study their financial statements and everything so that I know, okay, this is a good buy, this is the bad buy, and I'll come back here to tell you why this company is a good buy and why this company is not a good buy, and at a point in time. So those are for the Ghana stock. For the US stocks as well, for US stocks, I'm not doing stocks, I'm not doing companies at all. I'm going to advise. I am going to suggest to my community members, just like I do always, so that we stick to ETFs, mutual funds, all of that. I'm talking the Vanguard S&P 500 dividend paying ETFs. I'm talking Schwab. I'm talking Fidelity. Um, let's stick to ETFs, mutual funds, please. US stocks, let's stay away from the companies themselves, and then stick to the exchange traded funds. So yeah, on this channel, basically, I'm also going to be talking about budgeting, savings, emergency funds, low risk investing, and most of all is how disciplined and consistent we can be throughout this period. My goal, like I said, is to be financially free, and I hope that um, wherever you're watching this from, you can build yours from there. And so, final thing I want to say is, last but not the least, is that we're going to be using two brokers. Um, we're going to be focusing on Bamboo, and also we're going to be using Achieve by Petra. Actually, yeah, Achieve by Petra is an investment is a it's an insurance company that has a savings, more like a financial app. So Achieve by Petra app, we are going to be using Bamboo, and then we are going to be using the IC World app. So these three financial tools is what we are going to use in addition to our income to build wealth in the next 25 years. So my goal currently is 25 years, and every 5 years we are going to have a target. So I'll come back with another video on which target we are moving from the first target, which is $100,000 by 2030. So that's the goal, and yes. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Melvin Dain once again, and please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to join my community as well. Personal finance, how do you call it? The personal finance enthusiast community, which is called the Closing the Wealth Gap. Please leave a comment, or what I'll do is I'll leave the link there, the WhatsApp link in the comment description, so you can look at it and we can move from there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.